8th and 9th of December. One can see all the way up there is that's Entrance Island going into Nanaimo, and over here Texada and the mountains of Howe Sound in the distance way down there. Where I say we, it's me again. I'm just about to put up some sails, and there's a little bit of a breeze. I might just get to move the boat, so I think I might. It's such a lovely day. This is the most gorgeous day. Spinnaker up, going towards the North Shore Mountains.
Stepping out with my baby, I can't go wrong, 'cause I'm right. It's for sure, not for maybe, that I'm all dressed up tonight. Stepping out with my honey, can't be bad to feel so good. Never felt quite so sunny, and I keep on knocking wood. There'll be smooth sailing, 'cause I'm trimming my sail.
Still just under 6
In my
knots.
top hat and my white tie.
That's 7 degrees, but it feels like midsummer.
Stepping out with my baby, I can't go wrong, 'cause I'm right. Ask me when will the day be? The big day may be tonight. Stepping out with my baby, I can't go wrong, 'cause I'm in the right. It's for sure, and not for maybe, that I'm all dressed up tonight. Stepping out with my honey, can't be bad to feel so good. I never felt quite so sunny, and I keep on knocking wood. There'll be smooth sailing, 'cause I'm trimming my sail. In my top hat and my white tie and my tail. Oh, stepping out with my baby, can't go wrong, 'cause I'm in right. Ask me when will the day be? The big day may be tonight.
Everywhere. This is marvelous. Oh. See them under there. Another one. They're everywhere. Oh dear. It's so hard to find them. Racing in. Oh, isn't that marvelous? This is the 10th of December, and just coming back from Silver Bay. It's been absolutely fabulous sail. I'm doing about sort of 5.5 to 6.5 knots all the time under spinnaker. The sun is shining. I've just had dolphins playing everywhere. It's been absolutely amazing. It's actually in here at the moment. It's 18 degrees. It's amazing. No heat on. In the cockpit here, it's 18 degrees. It's just magical. You just see Mount Baker. There's a ship coming in that's probably going to cut me off, but that's okay. We'll deal with it. Oh. Sail all ski here. Doesn't matter. It's beautiful. Ferry going out past Plowen. Comes the harbour links. A mile an hour. Got to pull some ropes in here. So I just pulled a rope through my finger. So I've got blisters all over. This rope burns. Lions Gate in the distance. Nearly back. Point Atkins. Just there.
When you're alone, who cares for starlit skies? When you're alone, the magic moonlight dies. At break of dawn, there is no sunrise. When your lover has gone, what lonely hours the evening shadows bring. What lonely hours with memories lingering like faded flowers. Life can't mean anything when your lover has gone. What lonely hours the evening shadows bring. What lonely hours with memories lingering like faded flowers. Life can't mean anything when your lover has